how much more of this can I take? There, now I don't have to worry about any more reminders.
This is gonna be the best air show ever!
Oh, at last. Oh, why does everyone get to go to the air show but me? I'm stuck trying to find a megawatt bulb. Oh, that's it. The solution to my problem. Bagpipes, blueprints, bridal gowns, bodybuilders. Aha! Bulb store. Oh, happy day. There is another bulb store. The What Spot. We never close, even for air shows. And what's this? It's located directly across the street from the air show. East side, west side, all around the town. Latitude, longitude, north by northwest. Oh, that's it. The quickest route is obviously a shortcut through the air show. Now that's responsible thinking. Ow! Oh, don't stare at me with those big stone eyes. I promise, I won't even look at the planes.